is so tiny, so cute.
Yeah. We're at the shopping mall now and we are here for the flowers. But they look so tired.
Yeah, looks like they have a long week too.
Yeah, they are relatable. I don't think Mom will appreciate that kind of bouquet. We decided to make our own bouquet.
And see how it's going to turn out.
Yeah, and it can be the topic of our next videos.
There were so many flowers. Real ones, fake ones. Do you like this? We don't. None of them feel like ours. We want to make something unique.
Christy, I think she got totally distracted by the claw machine, but you are not giving Mom a pass from that. Hi, welcome to Members Corner. I'm Celestine.
And I'm Christy.
We are artists who believe handmade things can hold feelings.
And we create characters and turn them into pleasures. We share a little magic through every custom piece. Here's a little chaos from our prep table. We test out a bunch of flowers with pipe cleaners. We can find all the tutorial right here in our channel. We are kind of pipe cleaner holders, not gonna lie. They're soft, fuzzy, and just really satisfying to work with. We also have floral tape, some pastel wrapping paper, clear ribbon, and of course, glue and scissors.
And we can't forget the most important part, the cards, which go for lovely colors. Pink, purple, blue, and green. We decided on colorations. I made a purple bouquet and Christy went with pink.
Testing took a while, honestly. But if you are ready now, let's make some petals together, step by step.
Each petal needs about 2 or 3 pipe cleaners. First, take 1 pipe cleaner and bend it at about 2 centimeters. Then use the rest to curve it into a petal shape, big or small, totally up to you. Now, twist that little bent part together with the rest. Last, with the leftover end, twist a tiny loop about 1 centimeter wide. This little loop helps us fill out the petal later. Grab a little pipe cleaner, bend just the tip about 5 millimeters to make a tiny hook. Hook it into that loop you just made and press it down tight. Now wrap the cleaner around the outer edge of the petal, loop it once, and fit it through the inner ring. Just keep repeating that. It takes a little patience. So maybe put on some music or your favorite show while you work. When one cleaner runs out, just grab a little one and keep going. Don't worry, pipe cleaners are super forgiving. Once it's filled, twist the end together. And there you go, your petal is done.
Don't be stressed if your petal aren't the same size. Real flowers don't have perfectly identical petals anyway, so we just keep on making them, one after another.
Quick close-up break, because I just look so good in this shot, so I have to show you guys.
你刚刚怎么可以这么心机？
Look how happy she is. I know she loves time with me.
We will be adding colors to the petals later, so we are picking the card colors now to keep the whole palette consistent. They help with matching the little decoration element later.
I still think purple works best. We made some tiny purple and white flowers to see how it all looked together. I'm thinking, let's add the purple ribbon too. I'm fully committing to purple here. But for the wrapping paper, white makes the purple pop more. How do you think?
Next up, shaping the petals. Giving them a bit of curve make them look so much more alive. Then we add a little purple color to the edges. It's giving carnation vibe, right? Once we add the colors, it really stand out on the card.
I ended up making 6 large petals, 5 medium ones, and 3 small ones, just for your reference. After finishing the petals, it was already evening. I stood on the sofa at Christy's place, and wow, it's so comfy. Dinner tonight. Just throw something together. And just like that, it's the next day. Time to assemble the petals. Realized I look super tired without makeup on cam.
Use floral tape to secure the base of the flowers. Trim off any extra pipe cleaners. Be careful not to poke yourself.
Here's what it looks like after assembly. But look, we are not done yet. Now we're making the calyx for the collation. I want to make it more refined and hide the floral tape inside. It's pretty easy. Just fold the pipe cleaners, twist it, shake the curve a bit, and done.
你是剪指甲的吗？只手不剪，只手剪。要弹琴是？一直按，一直弹，弹的那个最好不要剪太多。
We make 3 types of small flowers, purple, light purple, and white. We wasn't sure which one could match, so we make all 3. Looks like the light purple and the white go best with the purple carnation. If you want to learn how to make these little flowers too, check out the tutorial on our channel. We won't repeat the step here. Let's arrange the flowers and the leaves and figure out how to build the rest. We also make a tiny green band to balance the base. It keeps the leaves from feeling too heavy.
Now let's build a mini bouquet. Start by tipping the bud at the top. Then add one flower at a time. Keep checking if the placement looks right. I stagger the white and light purple ones. It looks more playful that way. Of course, you can add or reduce flowers and leaves based on your own vibe. Rub the flower tape all the way to the bottom of the stem. The tape itself isn't sticky, so add some glue at the end to keep it secure.
Those flower bunches are ready. We are pairing one carnation with one mini bouquet, white wrapping paper and a purple ribbon. We test a few ribbon position. Finally, we choose a lower placement. It makes the whole bouquet look fuller. Time to fix the bouquet in place. We poke some hole in the card and use the wire to anchor the flowers. Try to hide the wire. We pick dark green so it can blend in, even if it shows a little. Once the wire is through the back, twist it into knots so it won't fall off.
Happy Mother's Day, Mom. I made this flower with my own hands, but every fold, every twist carries something you taught me: patience, care, and the quiet strength you live by every day. It's not a real flower, but either it's your love, it's never real. Thank you for being my forever bloom.
Honestly, Armand wasn't exactly thrilled that we are doing YouTube, but we hope they see we are serious. We want to bring joy through handmade things, to heal hearts with what we create. In this overly industrial world, we craft something unique, something made just for you. That's what these bouquets are for, to show our mom how much love we are putting into every fold.
Now it's time to finish the pink carnation with Christy. Some things are boring along, but super fun with a friend. We chat while crafting. Okay, fine, we gossip. We only had one iPhone and a couple of stands, so most close-up were handheld. It takes way more time and patience, but it's worth it.
Okay, let's see the final look. I think even the cats approves.
It's not easy for our filming all this, but we are so happy we get to share our ideas with you.
Okay, that's it. Today's DIY.
And this is our carnation bouquet that will never fade.
And it turned out way more cuter than my aesthetic.
If you are still watching, thank you for hanging out with us.
And if this inspired you to make something for your mom,
don't forget to tag us. We would love to see it.
And don't forget to like and subscribe Members Corner if you want more cozy craft time with us.
We will be back soon with something new. See you then.